Creating an account on Magento is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your online store effectively. Follow these steps to set up your account. Step 1. Visit the Magento website. Go to the official Magento website. Look for the Sign Up or Create an Account option, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Step 2. Fill out the registration form. Before changing your settings, use the frock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Agree to terms and conditions. Before you can complete your registration, you will need to agree to Magento's terms and conditions. Read through the terms carefully and check the box indicating your agreement. Step 4. Verify your email address. After submitting the registration form, check your email for a verification link from Magento. Click on the link to verify your email address and activate your account. Step 5. Log into your account. Once your email is verified, return to the Magento website and log in using your email address and password. You can now access your account and start using Magento for your online store. By following these steps, you can easily create an account on Magento and begin your journey in managing your online business.